Let me do a few summary comments here of some of the things we heard. On the benefit side, I think we heard from everybody, speed and agility are two things that jump right out at you in terms of benefits that can accrue from cloud. I think as time goes on, it's like everything as a service. I mean, we got software as a service, infrastructure as a service, email as a service, SharePoint as a service. Why don't we just start saying everything as a service is the goal for down the road. Pointing out also is the need for governance, that this isn't something where, yeah, we throw it into the cloud and lo and behold, everything's great. It's going to take some governance and some discipline to make sure things are managed. I heard a lot of talk about standardization and open source solutions as very enablers to get there. And if we can standardize, we can secure it. If we can standardize, we can get things done. So it's going to be very important. We don't want every agency in the cloud with totally different technologies and standards and whatever, and we're right where we are today with interoperability issues. Challenges, culture, once again, comes through as a big one. You're asking people to change. People don't change without a little bit of issues along the way. Security, we drilled down on hybrid environments, risk sharing, acquisition issues, compliance issues, all need to be dealt with, but we have all agreed that they're challenges, but they can easily be overcome. It's just going to take some work to do that. The future, we heard about the government app store. I like that analogy, and I agree with Dave here. I think in the future, agencies can focus on their mission while IT will be offered as services to support the mission. And as mission changes, the IT services can change to create environments like that. I think GSA is going to play a major role here in the civilian side and DISA on the DoD side. And I think you're right. It's going to happen. It's not when. It's not if, it's when. So let me say thanks first to our sponsors who allow us to do the show. Thanks to WTOP, WFED Radio, and to our panelists here. You're all very, very busy individuals and with high-level jobs to take time out to come be with us. We greatly appreciate that. And finally, thanks to the listening audience out there for tuning into the show.